Everyone dreams of flying private. But what if I told you the jet itself is the cheapest part of the deal? Private jets symbolize freedom, luxury, and status. They represent convenience, exclusivity, and luxury. But behind the glamour lies a reality. Few talk about the hidden costs. Owning a jet isn't just about the purchase price. It's about millions in yearly expenses that can surprise even billionaires. Today, we'll uncover the true price of owning a private jet. And by the end, you'll see why many wealthy people avoid ownership altogether. Buying a jet isn't the end, it's the beginning of a financial roller coaster. A brand new long-range jet can cost $50–75 million. Even pre-owned models often run between $5 and $20 million. But here's the catch. The moment you sign that check, you're committing to a lifestyle of constant spending. Unlike a mansion or a luxury car, a jet is a machine your jet doesn't just sit pretty, it demands constant care, and a crew that costs more than most people's homes. Annual maintenance can easily reach $500,000 to $1 million. That includes mandatory inspections, engine overhauls, and avionics updates. And then there's the crew. Pilots, co-pilots, and attendants don't work part-time. They're on standby, ready whenever you want to fly. Salaries alone can add another $250,000 to $500,000 per year, whether you fly once a week or once a month. Those costs never go away. Even when your jet isn't flying, it's burning money from hangar fees to insurance and fuel bills that rival a luxury car collection. Parking your jet in a hangar costs $50,000 to $200,000 annually, depending on the airport. Insurance adds another $100,000 to $500,000. And fuel? A single long-range flight can burn tens of thousands of dollars in jet fuel. Over a year, that's $200,000 to $1 million. Imagine paying the equivalent of a supercar every time you refuel. Think your jet is an investment? Think again. It loses millions in value the moment you own it. A $50 million aircraft can lose millions in resale value within a decade, and owners often spend hundreds of thousands more on upgrades, interiors, entertainment systems, luxury finishes just to keep up with trends. Unlike real estate, jets don't appreciate. They depreciate fast, and the more you customize, the harder it is to resell. Here's the billionaire's secret. Many don't own jets at all. They charter, they share, they buy hours, and save millions. For those flying fewer than 200 to 300 hours per year, chartering or fractional ownership is often cheaper. Jet cards let you pre-purchase hours with guaranteed availability. Fractional ownership allows you to share costs with other owners. These options give you the luxury without the financial trap. To charter. Subscribe now for more billionaire lifestyle secrets, because the truth behind luxury is often more shocking than the dream itself.